Hey guys, I just got my 3mm Franco chain from Xander, and if you're looking for a clean silver chain that just works with every outfit, not too thick, not too loud, just simple, solid, and stylish, let me just show you the 3mm Franco chain silver from Xander. It is a fantastic chain to have every day. Right out of the box, this thing feels premium. Everything nice and neat. You get a thank you card as well as a certificate of authenticity, so you already know they're really about that sophisticated feel and their premium quality on their products. You also get an extra soft pouch just in case, and last but not least, the actual chain that comes inside of the soft pouch from Xander. It feels very good and sleek, smooth and sophisticated at the same time, so great experience right out of the box. And the chain, well, the chain is polished minimum and had just the right amount of shine. At 3mm, the Franco links look super clean, tight and geometric without being bulky, and it has an everyday luxury vibe. The Franco link design means durability and a smooth structured look. It is polished silver finish, reflects just the right amount of light. It feels lightweight but solid and is built for everyday wear. Whether you're rocking a tee, a hoodie, or layering with other chains, this just fits. It's one of those pieces that quietly elevates every single outfit. It is very easy to put it on. It has a hook system and it lays flat on the neck so it doesn't twist up or bunch up, and the weight distribution feels very well balanced. It's one of those chains that looks even better in person than in photos, so whether you're wearing it solo or stacking it with another piece, this Franco style brings structure and a touch of quiet confidence to your look. So if you're after something low-key, stylish, and ready to wear daily, check out the Xander 3mm Franco chain, because this might be the perfect chain for you.